Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's make Amala and ewedu with gbegiri soup, which is Yoruba food. I went to the market, I buy my pepper, then I washed it. Then I want to prepare a pepper mix. I bring out the scotch pepper inside, then I washed the seed out. Then I added my onion. I added ginger, I added garlic and salt, I added curry, I added ginger powder and garlic, then I added groundnut oil. My pepper mix is ready, so I prepared for blending. Started frying my stew. I'm sorry that I did not record where I started frying it. So here I added Maggi, then I added salt, I added stock meat and my meat. Then I go in with my fresh Titus. Then I cover it. So guys, here my stew is ready. Then I move to my gbegiri. I washed my beans. So I added baking powder, which is bicarbonate. So to my gbegiri, so that it's going to make it soft. So guys, yeah, the beans is soft and ready for blending. You can see it. So I pour it inside my blender, then I blend. Guys, you can see here, I pour it back inside my pot. Then I added salt, I added Maggi, I added hot pepper, and I go in with my red oil. So I stir everything together. So guys, yeah, my gbegiri is ready. This is the ingredients that I'm using for my ewedu soup. So ewedu and my pot with iru. I added a little water inside my pot because I want my ewedu to be thick. So I added bicarbonate and I added my washed ewedu. Then I added my local beans, which is called iru in Yoruba. So guys, yeah, my ewedu is ready for blending. So I blend everything. You can see it here. I pour it back inside my pot because I've not had salt and Maggi to it. So I added salt. Then I added a little bit of Maggi. So guys, my ewedu is ready. So then this is the water for my Amala, which we are making with yam flour. So the water is boiled already, so I bring out from the water. I started pouring my yam flour. I started pouring it inside. After some turning, here the Amala is ready. So it's half ready. Let me say half ready. So I have to add a little bit of water, so I'll put this back on the gas for it to be well cooked. So guys, here the Amala is ready, and this is the final turning. I bring up my plates, then I serve myself. So guys, serve with me. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm really grateful for my subscribers. For those that always come back to watch my video, I'm really grateful. God bless you. So please, if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe for you to be notified anytime I upload new video. Thank you guys. Bye.